Introducing a new tracking device that assures you may never lose medical equipment again. VirtuTrack, an innovative device developed by VirtuOx, the leader in home respiratory diagnostic services. VirtuTrack is the perfect solution for healthcare companies to monitor patient compliance to any medical device, improve health outcomes, lower hospital readmissions, plus eliminate risk of losing medical equipment. Durable medical equipment providers, or DMEs, have a recurring problem with patients not using and/or losing the equipment they rent or lease. This can cause poor health outcomes. Plus, it can generate huge financial losses for DMEs. That's because DMEs must buy new equipment to add to their inventory to replace the devices patients lose and do not return, equipment they could otherwise redistribute to other patients. Now, think about how much money you could save if you had a way to track the usage and placement of each device or piece of medical equipment you lease or rent to patients. It could be hundreds of thousands of dollars each year. This could be money in your pocket and not your vendors. Think about that for a few seconds. Here's how VirtuTrack works. You attach the tracking device to medical equipment before or when you deliver it to the patient. The device automatically sends data daily back to VirtuOx. Then, VirtuOx can see if the medical equipment is plugged into an electrical outlet and if it is turned on. From this data, we'll know if your patient is using the equipment. So, you can follow up to improve their compliance and health outcomes. Plus, we'll know for how long the equipment has not been in use, so you can call and re-educate the patient on proper use. Moreover, we'll help you find a device before it gets lost. You see, VirtuTrack's real-time notifications enables DMEs to uncover when patients are not using critical medical equipment like ventilators, or repurpose unused high-cost equipment such as oxygen transfilling systems with a more cost-effective gas portability system for patients who do not require and/or use the higher-cost system any longer. This is just one of many examples of how you can save big. In summary, when you use VirtuTrack, we can tell you when a patient is no longer using your medical equipment, so you can either re-educate him or her on proper use, or pick it up and redistribute it to another patient. With VirtuTrack, you may never lose your medical equipment again. So you can save money from not having to buy new equipment. And so you can boost your revenues and profits by maximizing the number of patients whom you serve and whom use your equipment. Founder and CEO of ISD Health Solutions in Trinidad says about VirtuTrack. At first, we were providing patients with expensive home transfilling oxygen systems. This impacted our cash flow and reduced our profits. Now, with VirtuTrack, we can monitor patients' non-usage and deliver them regular cylinders and repurpose the transfilling system to a new patient. We are now able to reduce our capital expense while still providing great service to our patients. Again, think of how much money you can save by using VirtuTrack. Call VirtuOx at 877-337-7111 to learn more about how VirtuTrack can help your healthcare business become more profitable.